Hi, Madeline. Are you gonna stand? Are you gonna sit? Sit? Oh, what a nice seat. Hi, sweetie. Whoa. Hi. You having a good sit? Hi, sweetie. You gonna do it again? Do it again. There it is. Here's Mommy's canister of brown sugar. May I have a seat? Oh, does that go in there too? Okay, put that on there. Hi! That says Splenda. Okay. You put that down. You have a seat? Have a seat? Have a seat. Whoop. Hi.